Hi, little artists. Welcome back to Kiddo Color Club. Today we're going to draw a cute dog and learn some new English vocabulary. Words about dogs. So, grab your colors and let's get started. Let's start with the dog's head. Draw a big round shape. Now add 2 floppy ears on each side. Draw 2 round eyes, a small nose, and a happy smile. Next, draw the body, little legs, and a curvy tail at the back. Great, your dog drawing is almost ready. Now let's learn some fun dog-related English words. Blue color, dog, D-O-G. Red color, tail, T-A-I-L. Orange color, ears, E-A-R-S. Green color, paws, P-A-U-S. Pink color, bark, B-A-R-K. Bright yellow color, bone, B-O-N-E. Let's repeat them together. Dog, tail, ears, paws, bark, bone. Awesome job! Now it's time to color our dog. I'll use light brown for the body, pink for the tongue, and black for the nose. but you can use your favorite colors too. Make your puppy look happy and colorful. Great work today, friends! You drew an adorable dog and learned fun English words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawing and learning with Kiddo Color Club. See you next time. Woof woof, bye-bye.